This is day 3 of waking up before my son so I can actually get stuff done. Today I woke up much earlier, so I was able to get a lot more done. We started off by making my bed. Somehow I just see super aesthetic beds on TikTok, and my bed just doesn't look like that. I think I just don't have like the decorative pillows and all of this stuff, and so even though my bed is made, it just doesn't look as pretty. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Does anyone else feel like they clean their living room like 5 times a day and it just doesn't stay clean? I guess it's just a well lived in living room, but sometimes it drives me nuts. If you watched yesterday's video, I was complaining about how whenever I do my dishes, I think about what to order for groceries, and then I never remember because I can't write it down while I'm washing my dishes. Anyways, it turns out that we were on our last roll of toilet paper, and that has quite literally never happened to me in my life, but I just didn't know and I didn't notice. And so now we're on our last roll of toilet paper, and we are getting more toilet paper delivered tomorrow morning. So embarrassing. Guess what I'm doing now? It's dishes. Again. For the third day in a row on this series, I am doing dishes. Honestly, between hand washing dishes, loading a dishwasher, and unloading a dishwasher, dishes is like a part-time job. I will say the one good thing about our kitchen is when I unload the dishwasher, I don't have to go very far to put stuff away. Everything is literally next to the dishwasher, and so that does make it slightly easier, but it does still suck. If you've made it this far and you're still listening to me ramble on, I just want to know, when you normally do your dishes, do you do them in the morning? Do you do them at the end of the day? What is your routine for doing dishes? Or do you do them throughout the day, and are you just super on top of it and not like me? I just want to know. For the people who actually pick up the cutlery caddy out of the dishwasher and take it over to their drawer to put the cutlery away, why do you do this? Does it actually make things easier? Because when I empty the dishwasher, I just pick up 10 spoons at a time and go to the drawer. I promise that I'm almost done doing dishes. I just need to empty this dish rack because it sits on our counter, and when it's empty, it just makes my kitchen feel that much more clean. And then I just had a few things in the sink that I had to load into the dishwasher. And then once I load this, I promise you I'm done with dishes. I have a feeling every single day in this series is going to have some portion of dishes. Okay, I'm done. I did need to clear off my island and wipe it down because I just have a whole bunch of random stuff on there. I go back and forth on what to use on our countertops because I was told to just use soapy water, but I'm using diluted Pine Sol. What do you guys use on your counters for everyday cleaning? I have officially made it to 8:30 a.m., so I'm done, but I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.